Everyone is trying to be an AI engineer nowadays. And I don't blame them. The money is good. So after watching AI engineering roadmaps and since I'm not completely new to Python, I decided to generate a map and follow it. My first task was to build a CLI expense tracker. This helped me learn about argparse, filtering, and sorting flags, which was fun to do. Then my next task was to add some error handling and also make it an OOP. So I refactored the entire code to classes. Then I had to solve some lead code problems, took a look at sorting algorithms and with them. Then I had to learn Fast API, which is, as the name suggests, an API library that is used only on Python. So I built an API that takes requests and store the results in Postgres. And what the API does was fetch information of the repositories of GitHub users and then store them in Postgres. Then I transformed it to async so I can fetch a lot more repos really quickly. And then I turned it to a CLI tool. This was stage 0. So moving on to stage 1. I was building a to-do API implementing Pydantic path query params, and I'll be honest, the most challenging part here was thinking how I can implement these in a simple to-do API, but I did it anyway. So I made a crude to-do API, then added custom exceptions with rate limiting using slow API. One thing I'm guilty of is skipping Docker, but hear me out. I had a problem installing it and I didn't want to waste time on it yet. So I moved on to using SQL Alchemy and connected Postgres to Face API, and I use Alembic migrations. Then I added auth to the API, which was honestly I just watched tutorial on how to do it. I still have to practice it a lot more, but I get the intuition behind it. Then I had to do Docker, which is the most annoying thing on the list. I kept having errors installing it. It caused me a lot of headaches, and was finally able to implement it and push the image on Docker Hub. That was what I did in these 2 weeks, and I still have a lot to learn. So, thank you for watching, and I'll update you soon.